Okay. Good morning, students. Welcome to Abhyas School. Today discuss about light. Okay. In a dark room, you cannot see any object, but when the bulb is switched on, everything in the room becomes visible. That is, for the vision, the presence of light is essential. In case of any light that cannot see the object, that means it is essential for the vision of light. Light is a form of energy which produces sensation of vision. Light energy makes the surroundings objects visible, but by itself it is an invisible energy. Okay, that what are the sources of light? What are the sources of light? Sun is the main source of light in mankind. Other sources are, that means it is a lighted electric bulb, lighted candle, lighted kerosene lamp. These are all, that means it is the sources of light. Okay. Next, what is the speed of light? What is the speed of light? Speed of light. Speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. In case of written in 3 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometer per second. That means the light travel in 1 second 3 lakh kilometers. The light travel in 1 second in 3 lakh kilometers. In case of meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That is the speed of light. It will be very large. That means this is the speed of light. Okay. Next one, what are the basic terminology of light? First one, luminous bodies. First one, luminous bodies. Luminous bodies. Next one, non-luminous bodies. Third one, optical medium. Next one, transparent medium and translucent medium, opaque medium. These are the some terminology. First one, what is the luminous body? Okay. Basic terminology. First one, luminous bodies, non-luminous bodies, optical medium. What is the transparent medium? Translucent medium. Next one, opaque medium. Okay. First one, luminous bodies. All bodies which emit light by itself. That means it produce light by itself. It is the bodies known as luminous bodies. All bodies which emit light energy by themselves are called luminous. What are the examples? Main source is the sun. Okay. Another source of that means it is electric bulb. Next one, candle, oil lamp, kerosene oil lamp. These are the luminous bodies. Everyone, that means it emit light by itself are called luminous. Second one, non-luminous. Non-luminous means bodies which do not emit light by itself. That is known as non-luminous. The bodies which do not emit light by itself but reflect the light energy falling on the and becomes visible. Okay, the are called non-luminous bodies. Examples of things. That means it is a wood, plastic. Next one, book. Some things are. That means it is not produce light by itself. That bodies are known as a non-luminous bodies. That means moon, wood, furniture, book, etc. So on. Okay. Next one, what is the optical medium? Anything through which the light energy can pass partially or whole is Hole is called optical medium. That means a light can passes through them. That means that is the light transmitted through the objects. That objects are known as optical medium. Examples, that means air. Air is that light passes through them. Water, that light passes through them. Next, diamonds. Next one type of crystals. These are known as optical medium. Anything through which light energy can pass partially. Some part of light can pass through the light. That is an optical medium. Examples are vacuum, air, next water, glass, diamonds. These are known as optical medium. Next one, transparent medium. Transparent means that a medium which allows most of the light passes through them. Most of the light. That means complete light passes through the objects are known as transparent medium. Examples, water. Example, water. Next one, vacuum. Next, air, diamonds. These are known as transparent medium. Okay, that means most of the light passes through the objects. The objects are known as transparent bodies or transparent medium. Next, translucent medium. That means a medium which allows the light energy partially. That means they are objects. The objects are known as translucent medium. That means some part of light passes through the object. The objects are known as, that means it is a translucent medium. Examples, muddy water. Muddy water. That means it is a number of dust particles and sand particles. These are including the muddy water. That means the light cannot completely passes through them. That means only some part of light passes through the object. That is a muddy water. And smoke and fog and clouds. These are known as translucent medium. Next one, what is the opaque medium? Opaque, O-P-A-Q-U-E, opaque medium. Opaque medium, a medium does not light energy passes through them. The objects are known as opaque medium. Opaque medium means that light passes through them. That means it is example of wood. One of the example. Next one, furniture. Next, iron. These objects cannot light passes through them. That is, the objects are known as optical medium. Optical medium. That is okay. What are the examples? That means one type of bricks. That means all type of bricks. Next, stones. Next, some type of metals. These are opaque bodies. Okay. Start. Okay. Transparent medium and translucent medium, opaque medium. Okay. That means most of the light passes through them. The objects are known as transparent bodies. Partially light passes through the bodies. That means translucent bodies. And do not allow the light passes through them. The objects are known as opaque bodies. Okay? That. Next one, what is the point of source of light? Point source of light. Any source of light which has no dimensions. That means dimensions means it is a radius or length, breadth. These are the dimensions. That it indicates only for straight in path. It is a point formations. There is no dimensions. The sources are known as point source of light. Example, laser lights. That means laser beams. Any source of light which has no dimensions is known as point source of light. Next one, extended source of light. Extended source of light means any source of light which has dimensions. That means if the light travel in different directions. Example, it is a torchlight on. That means the light travels in divergent formations. There are a number of directions. That is the extended source of light. Next one, what is the ray of light? Ray of light means the path along which the light travels in a given direction is called a ray of light. That means the path along which the light travels. That means the light travels in a straight line path. That is the rectilinear propagation of light. That is the property of light. That means the light travels in straight line direction. In case of one single ray, that means the path which the light travels in given direction, that is known as ray of light. In case of number of rays, that means bunch of rays or bundle of rays, that means the light travels in a bundle of rays, that is known as beam of light. What are the parallel beam of light? That means the large number of rays travel parallel to each other. That means the light ray is first ray and second ray and third ray. It is a large number of rays passes in a direction. They are parallel to each other. That means first one and second one parallel, and second one and third one are parallel. First one, that is these rays are known as parallel beam of light. A large number of rays travel parallel to each other. The collection of rays is called parallel beam of light. That means a number of rays passes through them. That means it is in single directions. These rays are known as parallel beam of light. Okay. Next one, what is the convergent beam of light? What are the divergent beam of light? That means it is a convergent beam of light. That means the light travel in different directions. They are in different directions to meet at one point. These are known as convergent beam of light. Okay, the rays, that means the different directions, the rays passing through different directions meet at one point. These rays are known as convergent beam of light. Next one, what is the divergent beam of light? Divergent beam of light means if the light rays start from a point and travel in various directions. In various directions, then the collection of rays is called divergent of light. That means if the light rays travel from start at one point, they are traveling different directions. This is example, it is the source of light. They are traveling different directions. They are traveling different directions. That is the divergent beam of light. That is the source. It means if the light rays start from one point and travel in different directions, these are known as divergent beam of light. If the light rays travel in different directions to meet at one point, these rays are known as convergent beam of light. Convergent beam of light. That is okay. That is the convergent beam of light. The light travel in straight line path. That is the rectilinear propagation of light. That is the property. That is okay. Students, today discuss about what are the terms. First one, what is the light? Light is the sensation. That means okay. That is the sensation of human eye. That is light. Light is the form of energy. Next, what are the sources of light? Next one, what is the speed of light? What is the basic terminology? That means how to produce light. That is known as luminous. Next one, non-luminous. Next one, optical mediums. The number of materials, either solid, liquid and gases are. That means divided into. That means the light passes through some objects. That is known as a transparent. Next, partially transmitted the objects, that is the translucent. Next one, do not allow the light passes through them, that is opaque objects or opaque medium, that is okay. Next, what is the ray of light, what is the beam of light, what is the parallel beam of light. Next, what are the convergent, what are the divergent beam of light. This is discussed to the light. Light produced by itself means the objects are known as.
మీది చాలా లేట్ అయింది సార్, అలాగ అయిపోండి. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చెప్తారు ఒక నిమిషం, నేను అలాగ అంటాను చెప్తారు.